Howdy, buddy. Buddy fine? I want to thank you for this opportunity, an honor, in addressing you today, dear colleagues and friends of many years. I wish I could be with you today. I want to thank the organizers in honoring the UN Special Court for Sierra Leone and what I used to call the little engine that could. At first, no one gave us a chance in bringing justice to the citizens of Salome after a decade of horror. The group of professionals we all called upon from around the world did bring justice, and we all showed those victims, their families, their villages and districts, that no one is above the law, and the law is fair, and the rule of law is more powerful than the rule of the gun. The justice and accountability process began when the Office of the Prosecutor went to full operational capacity in November of 2002, according to plan, and promptly executed Operation Justice in March of 2003 in a nationwide arrest operation that brought in by complete surprise 90% of the defendants. I sealed President Charles Taylor's indictment, waiting for the right moment, and that came in June of 2003. By then, all of the leadership of the RUF, AFRC, and CDF were in custody awaiting a fair and open trial. The victims of the Civil War now understood that the rule of law truly is more powerful than the rule of the gun. In August of 2003, President Charles Taylor was stripped of power after I unsealed his indictment in June, and he went into monitored exile in Nigeria until he was handed over to us in March of 2006 for trial. In 1 year, August 2002 to August 2003, we had taken down all of the leadership of the Warren factions and removed President Charles Taylor from power. All credit goes to those in the audience today and those on our amazing and very small team of professionals. The skeptical world now truly believed, and are successfully completing our mandate. Looking back on it, I am amazed at what we all accomplished together, the entire court. The UN Special Court for Sierra Leone was the most effective and efficient international tribunal in the modern era. The little engine that could, did. We left the citizens of Sierra Leone with a renewed respect for the law and a sense of hope for a better future. Practitioners and academics marveled at and now use as a standard for success the following: an outreach program with town hall meetings, a new form of indictment using notice pleading and representational charging, the cornerstone concepts of focusing on gender crimes and crimes against children, to include forced marriage in times of armed conflict, a new crime against humanity, creating new jurisprudence regarding child soldiers, attacks on UN peacekeepers, and heads of state who commit international crimes are no longer immune from prosecution at the international level. We also showed the world that the international criminal law can be delivered efficiently within budget constraints by using a 10-point strategic plan that played out through the life of the court. We showed that with a plan and proper management, we could deliver justice effectively for the victims of the Civil War in Sierra Leone. I left Sierra Leone in July of 2005 after 3 years. I handed over the Office of the Prosecutor into the capable hands of our beloved Deputy Prosecutor, the late Right Honorable Sir Desmond de Silva, and to many of you in the audience. You all went on to finish the work and bring justice. I was proud to have played a small part in your success. Enjoy this time together there in Freetown. The citizens of Sierra Leone had asked us to seek justice for them, and we all did that together. May God bless you, and may God bless Salome.